Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Shein app on your smartphone. Shein is an ultra affordable online shopping platform where you can find trendy and stylish clothes at great prices. So let's dive right in. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the Shein app on your phone. You can easily download the app from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Once you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. So this is the homepage of the Shein app. Here you can see the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next up, tap on Sign in or Register to start the registration process. From here, you can sign up using your email, phone number, your Google account, or Facebook account. For now, I will sign up using my Google account. So you can see the option Continue with Google. Tap on it. You can choose your Google account you want to sign up with. You have successfully registered your account. As you can see, I've already received the welcome email from the app on my Google account. This means you have successfully signed up for your account. So now you are all set up and ready to start shopping on Shein app. Happy shopping! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.